where education meets innovation. Our dedicated teachers are here every step of the way, guiding and mentoring students as they navigate through the complexities of coding and electronics.
Wow, perfect.
James, are you gonna eat your
Congratulations. So, can you check what the pins you have used? Pin number 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now if you change the pins, so yeah, you can try. So, change pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, and write the code again, run.
Here we believe in empowering our students with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed in an ever-evolving world. Let's witness our students as they dive into the exciting world of Arduino,
When I move it in a different way,
a hands-on experience that blends creativity, technology, and learning. At Atherton, learning is about more than just listening. It's about doing. Our students begin their journey into Arduino by setting up their own kits.
well, any direction you move it will do two. Will do one color, and if you do it diagonal, it will choose two colors.
Learning the basics of electronics and starting to code. The excitement in the room is tangible as they explore the endless possibilities of what they can create. Through hands-on projects, students develop a deep understanding of coding, circuits, and the hardware behind modern technology. Whether it's connecting LEDs, building motorized systems, or experimenting with sensors, every student has the opportunity to bring their ideas to life. Our classrooms foster a collaborative environment. Students work in teams, exchanging ideas, troubleshooting challenges, and supporting one another in their learning journey. It's not just about the technology, it's about developing essential skills like communication, problem solving, and teamwork. At Atherton, we pride ourselves on creating a supportive environment that encourages exploration and innovation. From simple circuits to advanced systems, our students progress from basic skills to tackling more complex projects. These Arduino projects aren't just for fun.
The card has this one,
Yes.
and I put and this the joystick. Then you must put it this in here.
Yeah.
You connect this in here. If you push,
Yeah.
it's off and
Yeah.
move. The light
Right.
is being there's yeah.
Nice.
They provide real-world skills that are applicable to future careers in engineering, programming, robotics, and beyond. At the end of each project, students present their work to their peers, explaining the concepts behind their creations. This not only helps build their communication skills, but also reinforces their understanding of the technology and processes they've learned.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Here we go.
Then you do it. Then you can press this and it'll run. Maybe